Hi, sleepyhead.
What? Yeah.
Hi, sleepyhead. You don't even know what I'm saying.
I know. I told you I'm dead. What's that one?
Home sweet home for 6 hours.
Yeah, 6 whole hours.
So we are on a very long journey to a fun destination, which we are not sharing yet. That'll be next video. Maybe if you hang out to the end of this video, we'll get a little sneak peek or something. But we have about 8-9 hour layover here in Istanbul before we head to our final destination. So we decided, instead of just being uncomfortable in the normal concourse, although this is a very nice airport, we decided to get a hotel. So there's a hotel here that you can rent kind of in chunks. So you have a minimum of 4 hours, but we did 6 hours because that's about how long we have. So we're gonna give you a nice little tour of our hotel here at the Istanbul Airport. So we got checked in, made our way up to the room, and as you come in, there's some mood lighting, kind of ambiance to the space, relaxing, because the point is to rest, obviously, between flights. So as you come in, you have your bathroom on the right. Whoa, is this a touchscreen? Oh no, it's on the side. It was an icon. I thought I was gonna, turn it on that way, but there's a switch on the side. Get your nice mirror. There's all sorts of, what did you say this was, a dental kit?
Yeah.
Dental kit for you. That's wonderful. Need to blow dry your hair, all the things. But in here, you have both a separate toilet and shower. So if you need to freshen up between flights, have your shower, as well as all of your shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Very nice space. And of course, because it's been a long day, I do have my Starbucks and I'm taking it on this tour because I need it. But then back here, again, toilet space, separate space. Oh, and you even have like a little thing to dry towels if you want to, warm up a towel.
Mm.
If in your short time in here, you want to do some ironing, clean your clothes, also have some storage down below. Now let's make our way over to where we really will rest. This is a king size bed, which is going to be very lovely shortly. But you do, if you want to have some entertainment, have a television, and if you would like a beverage of some sort, there's a water bottle here, but behind the water bottle, if you brought your own, you have a bottle opener on the wall. It says cheers. Ooh. Over behind water bottle number 2, I think you have the ability to change the colors, is my guess. Oh, blue. If I hit green, does that change green? What about red? Does that do anything?
I think it does, but I think you're not doing it right.
I'm clearly not doing it right.
Press it again. Press it again.
There's an ability to change lights. We can't figure it out. But if you do have anything that needs to be refrigerated, you have a refrigerator down here. Even a little freezer space. If you want to get some work done in a private space, you have this. And what's wonderful is because we're at an international airport where people come from all over the place, they got compatible plugs for everybody. And then clearly, if you want to host a podcast, this is the space to do it. Welcome to my podcast, where we talk about podcasts. Oh, nice little lights next to it. If you want, one person wants to sleep and the other person wants to read. Yeah, so we're gonna rest up a little bit before we head to our next flight. Well, our time is up on this hotel room. We did take advantage of the showers and kind of brushing our teeth, getting reset for our next leg of this adventure. However, our flight has been delayed by 5 hours. So even though we have a lot of extra time, we do have to vacate the room. So we're gonna go find a spot to relax in the airport. And I don't remember what color the lights were before, but Amanda figured them out of actually how to change them.
That's green.
So Turkey does have a cool stopover program. There's multiple programs. One, if you're staying a little bit longer, you can get a free hotel room. Not here, not in the airport, but out in the city. Or if you have a longer layover that's during the day, there's different tours that you can go on. Our timing just didn't work out with that.
It's currently 1 a.m.
Yeah. We want to book a longer trip to Istanbul anyways because we know that there's tons to do, but a great opportunity if you're passing through.